In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a saved account in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're looking to tidy up your login screen or ensure your privacy by removing unnecessary accounts, this guide will walk you through the process in a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, what you'll want to do is open Microsoft Teams on your device. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the window. There you'll find your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a menu with several options related to your account and settings. From this menu, you'll want to select Sign Out. Doing so will take you back to the Microsoft Teams sign-in screen. If you've been using Teams regularly, you might notice that your saved accounts appear automatically on this page. This feature is designed for convenience, but if you need to remove an account, here's how to do it. Look for the saved account you want to remove. Next to it, there should be a More Options button, typically represented by 3 dots or a similar icon. Click on this button to reveal additional options for that account. In the list that appears, you'll see the option to remove account. Click on this, and you may be prompted to confirm your choice. This step is just a security measure to ensure that you don't accidentally remove the wrong account. If asked, confirm that you do indeed want to remove the account. Once you've confirmed, the account will be removed from the Microsoft Teams sign-in screen. It's as simple as that. The next time you open Teams, you won't see the account listed, ensuring a clean and organized login experience. And there you have it, you've successfully removed a saved account from Microsoft Teams. This process not only helps maintain your privacy but also keeps your sign-in screen clutter-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to leave a comment or share it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.